My name is Brenda Gartman.
And Brenda, I see that you've gone solar with PPM Solar, and I would like to ask you, what prompted you deciding to go solar to begin with?
Okay, well, we had a solar system in our last house in North Carolina, and so when we moved here to Florida, it was intriguing to us still. We like the green element of it, whether it's truly green or not, I don't know, but like the idea of it, that we can be producing energy with the solar power, sun power. And also with the rising energy costs, we feel it's a little bit of a hedge perhaps with rising energy costs, so it's a decent return.
So you reached out to PPM Solar, but did you get proposals from other companies as well?
We did, yeah. And what ultimately influenced us was our neighbor picked PPM Solar, and we felt good about his choice, and we saw your signs around the neighborhood and watched the progress on other people's houses, and just felt that you guys were the way to go. So
thank you. So going forward, would you recommend PPM Solar?
Yes, I think that you guys did a great job. It's not a totally smooth process, probably more due to GRU than you guys, but I think all in all, your team was lovely to work with. So
great, thank you so very much. I appreciate that.